We want to find the eighth term of the sequence, 3 upon 4, 1.5, 3, and so on. Right? So let's just rewrite the sequence first. So if I'm to do that, I have 3 upon 4. Let's write 1.5 from a mixed fraction. Let's write it to an improper fraction. That becomes 3 upon 2, and then 3, and so on. Right? Let's note the let's note the parameters of the geometric progression. As you can clearly see, the first term is 3 upon 4, so a is equal to 3 upon 4. Next, we would like to figure out what is the common ratio. Which is denoted by r, is equal to the ratio between ratio between any given term and its preceding term. So let's consider 3 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 4, right? T2 upon T1 is what I'm doing here. Term 2 upon term 1. So 3 upon 2 into 4 upon 3. Division, multiplication, make it reciprocal. Now if I cancel the terms out, 3 ones are 3 ones are, 3 gets cancelled, 2 ones are, and 2 twos are. Right? So therefore I get r, let's write this in white, therefore I get r is equal to 2. Right? So I have a is equal to 3 upon 4 and r is equal to 2. Now I want to find the eighth term, so let's quickly note the formula for the nth term of a geometric progression. If you guys remember, Tn is equal to the first term a into the common ratio r to the power n minus 1, right? So r raised to n minus 1. Okay, now we have the value for a, r, and we know we want to find the eighth term, so n will be equal to 8. So let's just plug in those values, right? So for n equal to 8, for n equal to 8, I get the value of T8 as, let's plug in the value. A we know is 3 upon 4, so 3 upon 4 into r, which is 2, and that raised to n minus 1. N we know is 8, so 8 minus 1. Alright, let's quickly solve this and get the value of T8. So it's 3 upon 4 into 2 raised to 8 minus 1 is 7. That makes it 3 upon 4 into 2 raised to 7 is 128, right? If you calculate that. So let's just cancel out the terms now. So we have 4 ones up and 4 into 32 over here. So all you're left with is 3 into 32. That gives us my that gives me my answer actually. So I can say therefore T8, right? T8, the eighth term in the series will be 3 into 32, which is 96, right? So there's my answer. So I'll write my final answer statement. Therefore, the eighth term is 96. This is my final answer. A straightforward application of the general term formula of a geometric progression.